Today we're going to be installing these AlphaRex Nova Series LED projector headlights fitting your 2015 to 17 Mustang V6 EcoBooster GT, as well as the 2016 to 2020 GT350 and 2020 Plus GT500. We'll show you a quick product review and then a step-by-step installation on how to install these on your S550. Let's get to it. If you're looking to take the front end of your S550 to the next level, this is the way to go. Most notably because these look a lot like the 2024 Mustang 7th gen headlights with that 3 individual projector design. With that said, these are a plug and play installation, super easy. It has the DOT and SAE compliance with that UV protective coating on the outside of the headlight lens, so you know that these will last the test of time. It has those very unique daytime running lights, or DRLs, where you can choose between white or amber for the full-time DRLs. They also tap into the turn signals down below, meaning you're gonna get your turn signal up in the headlight as well. The DRL, if it's white, will change to amber and show the turn signal, or if it's already amber, will show the turn signal from there. But definitely unique design with that DRL going all the way across the top of the headlight. Definitely makes you look twice if you see an S550 coming at you with these installed. And they have a unique startup sequence which will certainly turn heads every time you get in the car. Like I said earlier, they have that unique Ice Cube 3D projector technology that is patented to AlphaRex. Additionally, you will see much brighter light output in comparison to the factory HID headlights on your Mustang, and they have a very easy installation. Speaking of installation, we're going to show you a quick step-by-step on how to install these AlphaRex headlights on your 2015 Plus Mustang. Here are the tools required for installation. First, you want to pop the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then you can begin removing the radiator cover by using a panel removal tool for all the push pins. Set it aside. Next, you want to begin removing the bolts that are holding the bumper cover to the radiator support. Don't forget the 2 smaller bolts that are under the weather stripping on either side of the headlight. This car did not have those bolts installed. You can lift the car up using a car lift or a set of jack and jack stands. You don't need to remove the wheels for installation, but it does make it easier to get access to the wheel liners. Next, underneath the car, you'll grab a panel removal tool and begin removing the push pins, holding the fender liner to the splash shield. Next, you'll remove the bolts holding the splash shield to the subframe. There are also a couple push pins you may need to remove. Next, you'll begin removing the push pins for the fender liners. You can start at the 12 o'clock and work your way forward. You don't need to remove all of them, just enough to get access to the bumper tab. For the 15 to 17 cars, the bumper cover itself clips into place. Do not forget to remove that bolt that's holding the fender to the bumper cover. You will break the tab if you attempt to remove the bumper cover without removing that screw. Once you have that screw removed, you'll need to disconnect a couple wire harnesses. First one being the turn signal, as well as the running light and the fog light for either side. Next, you're able to pop those bumper tabs out. Be very careful on these cars, especially if it's cold outside and the plastic is cold. It can easily break the tab. The idea is to get your entire hand across the length of that tab and evenly apply pressure to pop that tab out from the fender. Once you've done both sides, you're ready to take the bumper cover off. Now for the headlights. There are 3 bolts holding the headlight into place, one on the side, one on the bottom, and one on the top. Support the headlight from the bottom as you remove the top bolt. Go ahead and pull it out. There is a clip holding the harness for the headlight in place. Use a panel removal tool to pop the clip out, and then you can disconnect the headlight. Now is the time to make the decision whether or not you want white or amber daytime running lights, or DRLs. Keep in mind, if you're choosing between the white and the amber daytime running lights, the white will run in sync with the lower turn signal, and the amber will run opposite of the lower turn signal. If you want white, just go ahead and skip this step, no action is required. Remove the 4 screws holding the panel on the back side of the headlight. Once you remove the panel, you'll see in the harness that there are 2 jumper wires there. They're white and black. All you have to do is connect those two black connectors together, and this is what activates the amber daytime running lights. Next, you'll grab the included adapter that came with your AlphaRex headlights and plug it into the existing turn signal harness. Regardless of which color DRL you choose, you will still need to use the adapter in order to get the signal for the turn signal up into the headlight. Now you're ready to put your headlight into place. You'll need to plug the headlight harness into the back of your new AlphaRex headlight, as well as the adapter wire that plugs right into place for the turn signals. Don't forget to clip the harness on the back of the headlight as well. Put your headlight up into place and get the top bolt started. Then you can move on to the bottom bolt and the side bolt. When aligning your headlights, it's very easy. Just grab a Phillips head screwdriver and you can go in right from the factory hole through the fender bracket and get to the alignment location on the back of the headlight to move the headlight up and down. Go ahead and align it up against the factory one on the left-hand side, and then when you put your new AlphaRex headlight on the other side, you can line them both up and you're ready to roll. Once the other headlight's installed, you can put your bumper cover back into place, reverse the disassembly process, and your installation's complete. Installation really wasn't too bad for these AlphaRex headlights on this S550. Honestly, one of my favorite things they do is include that adapter for the turn signal so you can tap right into the headlight. There's no cutting, there's no splicing, you're not pulling apart connectors or anything like that. It's totally plug and play and super easy to install, obviously, as you just saw. Additionally, you can choose between white or amber DRLs with these headlights, which is an awesome feature because you can choose whichever DRL matches your car best. Again, if you're looking for an easy way to totally switch up the front end of your S550 Mustang, these AlphaRex headlights are the perfect way to give you that 2024 Mustang styling. Comment below and let us know what you think of these AlphaRex headlights on this ruby red GT Mustang. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.